everybody. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a package from Warby Parker, and I've heard about Warby Parker. They sell glasses, and I was listening to a podcast and they went into a little more detail about how they have an app where you can see what the glasses look like on your face on the app, and then they will send you 5 pairs of frames to try on. You can wear them around for a few days and then choose the one you like, and they will make that one with your prescription. So my glasses right now, I have to wear glasses when I'm driving, and I have one pair that's super crooked and another pair that keeps slipping off my nose. So I figured I would give Warby Parker a try. So I'm going to try these on, check out the 5 frames that I selected, and maybe you guys can help me and see if any of these work and which one I should keep. So let's check it out and see what's inside. All right, here we go. This is how they arrive. And here are my frames. I think I got all black frames, maybe some brown ones in there. But for me, the biggest thing is comfort. If I do not like how a pair of glasses feels, for example, the pair I have right now that keeps sliding down my nose kind of makes me crazy and angry. So more than anything, I'm looking for a great, comfortable pair of glasses. Here is a closer look at how the frames arrive, neatly packaged. And let's get started. Frame number 1. This one is called the Wilder, and the color is Whiskey Tortoise. It's hard with all the lights on. It's hard to film because of glares. First of all, props to everyone who does YouTube videos in glasses, because I just spent the last 5 minutes trying to figure out the lighting in here because the windows were open and everything was reflecting off my lenses. So I had to bust out my ring light. So I'm trying to keep it from reflecting on the frames. But I love this pair. I've been walking around with them as I redid the lights, and they're super comfortable. I love them. Let me know what you think, how they look. But like I said, I go for comfort, and these are so comfortable. And if I'm doing my head down, it's so that you don't get the ring light reflection on my frames. So let me know what you think. Here is pair number 2. This one is called Chase. The color is Sugar Maple Fade. You can see the coloring difference right there. I like these. They're very comfortable. 2 for 2, very comfortable right out of the box. One thing I figure out when I go to a glasses store is they seem comfortable in the store, and then I start wearing them on the ride home and I kind of start hating them. So I'm definitely going to wear these around the house for a little while. And I don't know if you can tell in the video that it does have the lighter coloring right here, but these are comfortable also. And I like these. I don't know. Let me know. This is pair number 2, and these are called Chase. Here is pair number 3. These are called Wilkie, and the color is Black Matte Eclipse. Oh wow, these seem even lighter than the other 2. These are very light. So I'm seeing a trend here. The website does divide them between round, square, rectangular, and I chose all of my frames from the rectangular section. So they do all look alike, but these are the Wilkie. This color is black, and these are very comfortable. They're a lot lighter. Not that the other 2 are heavy, but these just feel lighter. So number 3, Wilkie. Here's number 4. This one is called Brady, and this one is also the same color, Black Matte Eclipse. So I'll try these on. What do you think? These are bigger. You could tell the actual glasses area is a lot bigger. Out of all of them so far, these don't seem to fit right. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and throw these in the no pile, but here I am trying to get the ring light glare. I'm like, how do you YouTubers, do y'all have a secret of wearing glasses and having lights and filming? What do you do instead of having to go like this? I don't know, I'm learning. But here is, or maybe this is why people kind of come in close for that moment where you think they're just trying to get a point across, but they're just trying to avoid the glare on their glasses. So this is Brady, and I'm probably sending them back. They don't feel right. They feel tilted. It's probably my ears that are tilted. They actually are, but that's another YouTube for another day. But Brady, these aren't working for me. All right, the last pair, these were my favorite when I tried them virtually online. These are called Daisy and the color is jet black. And I just saw something, if you put them back in the wrong plastic bag, they actually have the name of the glasses on the inside, so you don't get them confused. So these are the Daisy. Ooh, I see this one getting crooked also. I can feel it. I think it's my ears. So I'm gonna wear these around for a few days and try to figure out which ones. I need your help. I'm gonna throw them on really fast, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So help me vote, help me figure out which ones look the best, and then I'll figure out which ones are most comfortable. Here's number 1, this one is Wilder. Number 2 is Chase. Number 3 is Wilkie. Number 4 is Brady. And number 5 is Daisy. So let me know what you think. If you liked any of them, if you hated any of them, just let me know in the comments below. If you've used Warby Parker, if you have any tips, if you love them, if you don't love them, just leave all that below. I would love any insight. This is my first foray into Warby Parker, but I do love being able to wear them around the house for a few days and figure out how they really feel. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.